Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keita. Welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell so that you never miss another upload from me. Welcome back guys. I have a quick review on this scrub cap that I purchased, and this is what it looks like. It's green and it has swirls on it, and I purchased this May 4th 2020 from Etsy.com. Now, I purchased this because I do work in healthcare, and due to the fact that I was working in the hospital, I needed something to protect my hair so I wouldn't have to wash my hair every day. So I purchased this, and like I said, I purchased this May 4th 2020, and it actually shipped the exact same day. And I purchased this from Scrub Cap Craze, and I'll make sure that I'll leave the information down in the description box for those of you that want to purchase one. And I'll take it off, and don't mind my hair guys, because this is just a protective style. It looks like this. And this is what the inside looks like. And I've had this almost a month, and it has like the elastic on the back just because I do have a big head, and this holds up in the wash machine, so I don't actually have to wash my hair every day. And it is 100% cotton, as well as it is green swirls. And I use this because I do work in healthcare and I didn't want to wash my hair every day. And I paid $13 for this, guys. $13 for this. And I absolutely love it. And I wear it every day. And it does stand up in the washing machine because I wash this every day because I wear it every day. I wash this every day, and it shipped super fast. And like I said, it's 100% cotton, and I did purchase this from Etsy, and I'll leave that down in the description for you guys. And I purchased this from Scrub Cap Craze from Etsy.com. Check her out. This surgical cap bouffant for women is great for healthcare workers working on the front lines of COVID-19, as well as any individual that is looking for something to protect their actual hair, whether that be natural or relaxed, within a hospital or any type of healthcare facility right now. That's the reason why I purchased it, because a lot of patients that I see, they do have transferable diseases and things like that. So there's the reason why I actually wash this every day. I thank you guys for watching my review, guys. I hope that you liked my bouffants. I look like a chef, don't I? I like this because guess what? My favorite color is green. Shout out to my Leos. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, as well as turn on your post notification bell so that you never miss another upload from me. Thanks for watching. And tell her I sent you. Thank you guys for watching my quick review on this Scrub Cap Surgical Bouffant. Hope I pronounced that right. But I purchased this so I will be able to actually wear a ponytail as well, just in case I did want to wear a ponytail. So I have that flexibility within this surgical cap to wear a ponytail. So right now I have the protective style going on, so just knock that out. Thank you guys for watching.